If you don't get lean in 2026, you will look around in 2027 and realize nothing has changed. Same day-to-day life, same body, same excuses, and same fragile mindset. Meanwhile, the guys who locked in for 3 to 6 months live a completely different existence, all because they made one simple decision, and that was to take action on the thing they had been wanting to do for a while. And the truth is, it's not even about the way your body looks anymore. In 2026, it doesn't even matter. It's all about leverage in the real world. You can buy the fancy watch, you can make $100,000 a month, but if you are out of shape, not only will you not be respected by other people, but you will not respect yourself, and everything will come crumbling down. I'm going to explain why you need to get lean in 2026 and exactly how to do it. Every single day you wait to get in shape, you are just making it more difficult. Your current habits that you have right now, putting off the things you want, not taking action, are getting ingrained in your system, and your current identity is becoming solidified as someone who wants things and doesn't do them, can't achieve them, isn't capable, where you could literally make a complete identity switch in a matter of months just by going to the gym and dieting for a few weeks. But you have to actually commit to this action. Your metabolism is slowing down. You need to think and realize in 2027, 10 months from now, if you are gaining 2 pounds a month right now, you will be 20 pounds heavier. Not only will it be harder because of the way you think and what you believe about yourself, but you will literally have to lose 20 more pounds of fat. That is like 16 weeks of dieting. But at the end of the day, if you don't do it now, you'll be having the same conversation in a month from now, in 3 months from now, in a year from now. At a certain point, you are going to run out of time and you are never ever going to be able to cross the threshold. Not only is 2026 the year, today is the day. You have to look at it after this video as you are not going back to the version of yourself you once were 5 minutes ago. If it is not right now, when is it going to be? It's not going to be a month from now. It's not going to be 3 months now. You keep telling yourself that, but you wouldn't be in the exact position you are. The best time was 5 years ago when you were younger, but the second best time is right this second. And I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do. But you need to understand that the foundation of everything you want in life is getting your body right. I can't tell you how many times I've seen guys' lives completely change as soon as they get in shape, because it gives you an unwavering self-belief that you can actually commit to difficult things, and getting in shape, there's no risk to it. You literally just have to show up consistently 3 to 4 times a week to the gym and make sure you actually track how much food you're eating. If you fix your body first, everything else will have a downstream positive effect, and it'll solve 99% of your problems. It sounds like an extremely bold claim, but it couldn't be more true. And the amount of times I've seen guys get in shape and completely rewire their entire life and the way they view themselves. Before, they viewed themselves as a loser who can't achieve anything. Next thing you know, they're quitting their job, they're getting hired at better companies, tripling their salaries, moving into nicer apartments, all of a sudden have an abundance of dating options when before they thought they were ugly. You are trying to build a life you are proud of, but you have a body you are ashamed of. Your foundation, the only thing that is truly yours, is in poor quality, and you know it deep down. So no matter how hard you chase money, relationship, success, it's just all gonna not work. You are swimming upstream against your identity. It's something called your identity thermostat. And even if you do achieve all of these things you want, maybe you get in the relationship, maybe your business hits $100,000 a month, at the end of the day, you are always going to come back down to what you believe you are capable of. No matter how much effort you put in, no matter how hard you work, none of it will even feel like you earned it. You are missing opportunities on a daily basis if you're out of shape. You cannot walk into a business meeting and be there with complete and utter confidence and self-belief and be able to speak with conviction if you don't even like the way you look. You're constantly second-guessing yourself, wondering if they're looking, if they can see your belly hanging out of your shirt, or if you have a double chin. You cannot feel like a man if you are not doing the things you are supposed to be doing. And it is so simple, because we all know what we want as men. We want to be charismatic, we want to be rich, we want to be jacked, and we want to live a life on our terms. But if you cannot even get in shape, how do you expect to get all the other things? How do you expect to get the beautiful partner who respects you if you don't even do the work, the basics, the foundation of everything? And I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. All right, step one of actually getting lean in 2026 and making it inevitable in a super simple and easy process, you need to start tracking everything. This is going to take you about 15 minutes a day. What I want you to do is wake up every single morning, go to the bathroom, step on the scale, and write it down. You can use an app like Happy Scale, I don't care what kind of app you use. Just make sure you're tracking how much you weigh. Track your macros. How many calories are you eating per day? How much protein, how much carbs, how much fat? If you tell me this is too much time, you might as well give up now and just accept you're never going to be in shape, because if you do this for 4 to 6 months, you're never going to have to do it again. You're going to be able to stay lean year round just by looking at food. You need to go to the gym consistently and set a schedule. Don't overcomplicate it. Go 3 to 4 times a week. Say I'm going Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, whatever your schedule is going to be, and track your lifts. Make sure your lifts are going up over time. You can actually connect to the muscle group you're trying to hit. If you are not tracking anything, you are literally guessing and you have no clue what variable is causing you to make progress or holding you back from making anything. The second thing I want you to do is commit to a 12 to 16 week cut. And when I mean 12 to 16 week cut, I mean full and utter commitment. I don't mean, oh, on the weekends I'm going to drink, I'm going to have a cheat meal because I'm hungry. I mean truly commit yourself to a slight calorie deficit, which is 300 calories to begin with. Do 10,000 steps every single day and slowly increase your cardio and lower your calories over time. Make this a non-negotiable. This is only 3 to 4 months of your life to reverse almost a decade, or maybe 5 years. Maybe it's only 2 years of bad habits. Most guys try to do this for 2 weeks and they don't see results. They see the scale weight go up for a day, they freak out, lower their calories, and then end up quitting because they don't like the way they look. There's going to be periods where your physique looks worse. You're going to look smaller, you're going to look fatter before you actually get the results you want. But this is the filter that makes actually getting lean rare and valuable. It's not difficult. It's not complicated. It just feels hard in the beginning because it's new to you, but eventually it's going to become your baseline and you're not even going to have to think about doing these things. The second thing I want you to do is, after that cut, evaluate what your body fat currently is. If you still have some fat to go until you reach 10% body fat, take a 2-week diet break, eat at maintenance calories, which is your current body weight in pounds, times 14 to 16. 16 if you're really active, 14 if you are not very active. Maybe you work a desk job or work from home and you don't get out much. Take a diet break for 2 weeks, then go back into another 3 to 4 month block of dieting. You need to get to 10% body fat. This is where you actually unlock the benefits of being in shape. This is where you get the leverage and the advantages. 12 to 15% is okay. You start looking a little bit more athletic. Yes, people start to take notice, but in reality, as soon as you go back into a calorie surplus, which is most likely going to be inevitable after you start dieting, you are going to be in a position where you don't like the way you look. Your face starts getting a little bit softer and you lose all those benefits. So get all the way down to 10% body fat, no matter where you are starting right now. I don't care if you're skinny fat. I don't care if you're 30% body fat right now. You need to feel what it actually is like to get the results. Now that you're at 10% body fat, you've reached your goal, you feel the benefits, life feels fantastic, you have attention from women, you get more respect, and everything in your life feels smoother, and you get more things done in a day because your mind is clear. What I want you to do now is start a reverse diet. So cut your cardio in half. Let's say you're doing 100 minutes a week, start doing 50 minutes a week, and slowly start increasing your calories every single week by 200. So if you're at 2,000 calories, start at 2,200, then go to 2,400 calories and go until you reach your maintenance or until your weight starts to stabilize. Then what I want you to do is hover around 10 to maybe 12% body fat for the rest of the time and just keep progressing in the gym. This is all it takes. We're talking about 4 to 6 months for you to completely revolutionize the way you view the world and the opportunities you get on a daily basis. Now, a lot of you are in a position where you've already tried this. You've watched videos like this on YouTube, yet your motivation dies off very, very quickly. What you need to do is create systems and remove decision fatigue. Eat the same meals every single day. Make them taste good. Have the same workout schedule. Do the same exercises. Go to the gym at the same time and do your daily step count every single day. That's literally all you have to do if you want to see results. There is no variable that could be messed up if you do the same thing and it's boring and it's repetitive. Now, some of you are going to need some external pressure to make sure you actually stick to this program, because there are going to be days where you question if you are doing the right thing. Maybe you freak out, you lower your calories too fast, or you just need someone to talk to about the actual process so you understand what is happening along the way. Most guys fail because they have no accountability. They don't even know if they're going in the right direction. What I always like to say is if a guy knows he is doing the right thing and he is going to get to the goal eventually, he will keep walking on that path forever. However, if he doesn't know it is extremely certain, he most likely will not make it to the end. You need to either tell someone about your goal, someone close to you who is going to tell you when you're slipping up and hold you accountable. Maybe you need to post your progress online or find a community of guys doing the exact same thing. Maybe you need to hire a coach. But at the end of the day, this external pressure is going to keep you honest when things get difficult. And that is literally all you need to do if you want to get in shape in 2026. 12 to 16 weeks will completely change the way you look, regardless of where you're starting. Some of you may need a little bit longer, but you need to just make sure you set these non-negotiable systems in place and these boundaries and put the blinders on so you can reverse years of bad habits and a poor identity in a matter of months and completely change the way the rest of your life looks and feels on a daily basis. And if you guys want that extra helping hand, you want that accountability, and you want to make sure it's inevitable that you actually get to your goal, what you can do is click the link below or DM me on Instagram at Brasai. We can book a call, talk about where you're currently at, what your biggest struggle is, and how we can actually get you there together.